Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a repository in GitHub, and then we will push a file in our repository. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Make sure that you have already created an account in GitHub, and then in this case I have already logged in. So here we can select here repositories and then click this new button. Okay, so we have here Jake or Pomperada repository name. Let's say Scala codes. This is the name of our repository. Okay, so it is checked because there is no similar repository in my account in GitHub. So this repository contains Scala codes from my book. Okay, a short description. So I want to share my code, so there are two options if you want to be public or private. Okay, so click the repository. Click the creating repository. So right now I have an empty repository. Okay, next question is we will add a file here. So we will go in our here I have a folder get demo underscore. We have here a file of the codes, no? So when I double click, okay, so we have here files, no, from our book, from my book. Next that I will do is to right click, click bash, get bash here, the GUI bash. Now here what I will do is very simple guys. Just copy this one, and then in a command line of get, we issue a command clone, get clone. We will create a local copy, no, of our repository in my computer. Paste, enter. Okay, so right now our clone is empty. Okay, now let's go back. So there is already a directory here. Okay, I will copy this one, paste our file, go back here, cd Scala codes, enter, ls. We have already the file. Okay, Scala activities.zip. Now to add in our repository, because right now it is empty, we issue a command get add Scala space activities.zip. Okay, so initially it will add, and then we have to commit, no, git commit preparing for saving -m comment here, initial commit, whatever comment that you like, close quotation, enter. Now if we want to add in our remote repository in GitHub, we issue a command get push, and then press enter key. Right now we don't have any branches, no, so it will be directly to the master repository. Get space push. Okay, so it will copy, no, the file in our remote GitHub repository. Okay, so let us check. How do we check? Simply by refreshing. Okay, we have already the file here. Okay, so we can download. Okay, we can add, or we can download into a zip file. Okay, so if we want to download, it will download the code, no, to our computer. Okay, depending on the speed of your computer and internet connection. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, we have here the code. Okay, here's the code that contains the source code of Scala successfully uploaded in our GitHub account. Okay, so okay guys, so I think this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a repository in GitHub and how to add a file in the repository using git command line. This is very useful for everyone if you want to make a backup copy of your codes, and then if you are working in a team, it is very important to understand the basic operations on how to use code versioning software just like Git. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.